Let's do this. Drag out!
Welcome back to Immaculate, guys. And behind me, black Ferrari F430. As you can see, after it's been fully decontaminated and safe washed, it looks impeccable. However, wait till you see what it looks like when we get it under the lights. Now we have the Ferrari F430 in the unit. We've now put it under the lights just to give it its inspection before any detailing work commences. Found wash marring, swirl marks, a couple of scratches. Main concerns are the sanding marks in the paint. So plan of action for this car is, we're going to take the wheels off, steam clean the arches, the springs, the calipers, get them all ready for coatings to get them out of the way, so that when all that's done, we can then just focus solely on all the paint and the rest of the surfaces on the exterior of the car. Day 2 on the F430. When this came in, we thought it was going to be a breeze. However, it's taken 3 stages of correcting just to get it to this standard. We've only just managed to complete the whole front end and the side skirts on either side. What we're going to do now is we're going to move on to the back end of it and then work our way back round to the sides and finish off with the doors. Hopefully aiming to be ceramic coating it by tomorrow night. Day 5, that is the car now fully complete. She's now wearing Absolute Wax's ballistic on all the paintwork, her glass has been sealed, wheels and calipers have also been sealed. This car was never going to be a 2 or even a 3-day turnaround, so massive appreciation to the client. He gave me the car and just told me, just give it back to me when the car's complete. And having that sort of pressure lifted off your shoulders just makes the job 10 times better.